Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Cooking with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Got an exciting recipe for you tonight. You guys are going to like it. At least I hope you're going to like it. We're going to do jalapeno poppers. Alright, and these are simple, but I've already went ahead and sliced them in half for us. Make it a little quicker. Just want to cut the end, clean out with a spoon. All right? Just like that, guys. Good to be back with you. Got Gunchy with us today. Ooh, Gunchy! All right. But then you just want to keep doing this with all your jalapenos. Just clean it out. Okay? And don't get any of the juice in your eye. That's the burn. Got about 3 tablespoons of butter in there. We're going to use that to brown up our panko breadcrumbs. All right. But these are quick, easy, guys, and you don't have to mess around with the egg with this. This is the eggless mixture. I don't know where you guys are, but where we're at, it's snowing. Again. Awesome. Not a fan of the cold. Or the snow. I used to, not anymore. Sort of sucks. But I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning out these peppers, guys. I'll be right back. All right, now we're going to throw about 6 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs, and we'll go 7. As you can see, I got them cleaned out, guys. I just want to brown up the breadcrumbs a little bit, guys. And we're going to sprinkle a little garlic in. Put our cream cheese in the bowl here. This is the whipped cream cheese, guys. Easier to mess with. All right. Uh-oh. Well, we're going to put about a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. About a 1/2 cup of cheddar. Oh, there we we go. Man, that smells good. Got those browned up pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get our filling mixed up. This is the whipped cream cheese, guys. It's easier to work with. All right. But if you guys haven't already, don't forget, subscribe. It's free. We always leave our ingredients and directions right in the description. You don't have to pay for anything. It is 100% free, guys. All right. We'll get on a plate for our breadcrumbs. Cast iron skillet. You can get a little toasty. It's all good though. I have magical fire hands, so it's not too bad. All right. I already have my oven preheated to 400. Clean these off. That way I can put them on the parchment paper as I fill them. Uh-oh, I forgot my olive. That's a sin. Uh-oh. Man down. Or should I say pepper down? We don't want to use that. You just want to fill them up, guys. Real simple. You just want to press them into the breadcrumbs. All right. I'm going to grab my olive oil. Oh, never mind. It's right already on the table. Imagine that. All right. So we're just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the parchment. Get a little flavor to the pepper. All right. One. But these are real simple, guys. Easy to make. Main reason, because we're using that whipped cream cheese. There. Press it in there. And we're going to put these in the oven, guys, for about 20 minutes. All right, but I'll go ahead and get these finished filling, and we shall be right back. All filled. Only took about 7 minutes. Pop these babies in the oven. And we will see you in about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. In about 20 minutes, guys. Them babies smell awesome. These are very toasty. Woohoo! Hot tamale. Here, we'll play it safe today. These are quick and simple and without the egg mess, guys. But there you have it. Easy jalapeno poppers. And another awesome recipe. Simple recipe by your heavy metal chef. I'd like to thank you guys for being with us. And God bless. We'll see you next time.